Today I'm taking you to the magical Hydnefossen in Hemsedal. The forecast predicts very strong winds and potential overdevelopment. The road is closed for driving all the way up today, but it's okay. The trail is beautiful and offers a fantastic view. Eirik is borrowing my glider and testing it after I replaced two lines. We'll try to head out before the winds get too strong, and it's still early in the day, but the clouds are already showing signs of overdevelopment. This enchanting place is easily accessible, just about a 3-hour drive from Oslo Airport in Norway. When I see Eirik flying away with my wing, I think I would have preferred to fly with it today. If you're considering stepping up to an E&B glider similar to the one I lent to Eirik today, I highly recommend it. This glider, the Base 2, has impressive features with a top speed of 55 km an hour and a glide ratio of 10.5. It also has loose wingtips that provide you valuable feedback about the surrounding air. Here you see the Takeoff of Øystein, a very skilled cross-country pilot in Norway. Flies a lot in this area and the surroundings.
Well, that's me left. Have to do my line check real fast.
The glider I'm flying today is an E&A glider from BGD, the BGD Enda. It's a lightweight glider, weighing just about 2.8 kilos. I have some reservation about flying an E&A today, due to its slightly slower speed compared to my Base 2, but I just need to monitor the conditions closely and land in good time. As you can see, it's already started to blow hard on takeoff. I will try to stay well below the increasingly powerful clouds. However, I want to get over to the waterfall to give you a glimpse of this fantastic place. Remember to hit that like button. Hydnefossen is one of Norway's tallest waterfalls, standing at about 155 meters high. The waterfall is most impressive during the spring and early summer due to its snowmelt. And even if the road is closed, the trail to Hydnefossen is well maintained and offers beautiful views. This area is perfect for hiking, photography and paragliding. Don't hesitate to drop your comments or questions down in the comment section, and I will reply as fast as I can. It's not even 11 AM yet, and it's already quite strong. I can see rain in the distance, and I can also see magnificent sky corridors, and it's so tempting to push the limit and try and fly further. So, if you look down on my left, you will see the magnificent Hydnefossen. Welcome! It's such a nice place. I really love to fly in this area. And in the distance here, you can also see the town of Hemsedal. Alright, now I'm talking to those of you who aren't as familiar with flying. The clouds, they help me stay up by riding on warm air that rises, which we call thermal lift. It's so exciting to use this current to fly higher and farther. But sometimes they can change quickly and or unevenly, which can cause strong turbulence or even thunderstorms, so you need to be careful on these days. Days like this, with a huge risk of overdevelopment, you need to constantly have a look for the clouds, the wind, and make sure you land in time. See the waterfall blowing sideways, and on the wind meter the takeoff is actually gusting up to 12, so now I'll just push on speed bar and head for landing. Luckily the landing field is quite straight with little to no turbulence.
I think it's a good thing I decided to land. See the waterfall up there? It's flowing sideways.
Leave a comment down in the comment section and don't hesitate to ask any questions if you want to know the location or you want to come and fly.